Google just experienced a significant market shock. A staggering $225 billion in market value evaporated from the search giant in recent trading sessions. This dramatic decline was triggered by a troubling exodus of key artificial intelligence talent from the company. Among those departing is a Nobel laureate researcher, one of the most prestigious figures in the field. The loss of such elite talent has sent shockwaves through the investment community and technology sector. Investors are now openly questioning whether Google can maintain its competitive edge in the race for artificial intelligence dominance. This development marks a critical moment for the tech industry's most valuable companies. The timing of these departures couldn't be worse for Google's leadership. The company has positioned itself as a central player in the AI revolution, launching products like Gemini and integrating AI capabilities across its product suite. Wall Street analysts are increasingly concerned that losing top-tier research talent could significantly hamper Google's ability to innovate and compete with rivals like OpenAI, Microsoft, and other AI-focused competitors. The market's immediate reaction, wiping out $250 billion in valuation, suggests investors view this talent drain as the existential threat to the company's long-term strategy. The exodus includes not just one researcher, but multiple prominent scientists and engineers who were instrumental in Google's AI breakthroughs. These aren't mid-level employees making lateral moves to other companies. These are the architects of fundamental AI research. Industry insiders note that retaining world-class talent has become increasingly difficult as venture-backed startups and well-funded competitors offer equity stakes and more freedom to pursue independent research directions. Google's legendary reputation for innovation and resources may no longer be enough to keep its brightest minds from seeking opportunities elsewhere. For investors, this raises uncomfortable questions about corporate management and culture. How did leadership allow such critical talent to slip away, especially during a period when AI dominance is becoming the defining competitive advantage in technology? Institutional investors who have trusted Google's long-term vision are now re-evaluating their positions. Some analysts have downgraded their outlooks, citing concerns about execution risk and the company's ability to deliver on its ambitious AI roadmap over the next several years. The Nobel laureate's departure is particularly symbolic in this context. Nobel Prize winners represent the pinnacle of scientific achievement and carry enormous credibility in academic and research communities. Their decision to leave Google suggests that something fundamental may be amiss with the company's research environment or strategic direction. When the world's most accomplished scientists choose to work elsewhere, it raises red flags about organizational priorities and decision-making at the highest levels. This talent migration also highlights a broader trend in Silicon Valley. Top researchers increasingly prefer founding their own companies or joining nimble startups where they have more control over research agendas. Google's massive bureaucracy, while providing tremendous resources, may feel stifling to visionary scientists accustomed to moving quickly and breaking new ground. The company's size, which has historically been an advantage, could be working against it in attracting and retaining the entrepreneurial mindset that drives breakthrough AI research. The market's harsh reaction reflects genuine concern about Google's competitive positioning. Artificial intelligence is expected to generate trillions of dollars in economic value over the coming decades. The companies that lead in AI research and development will likely capture enormous market share and profits. Investors are betting that losing elite talent now could mean missing critical breakthroughs that define the next era of computing and business value creation. Looking forward, Google faces a critical challenge in rebuilding confidence with shareholders and the investment community. The company will need to demonstrate that it can both retain top talent and continue producing world-class AI innovations despite these high-profile departures. Management's response over the coming months will be closely scrutinized by analysts, investors, and competitors, watching to see if this represents a temporary setback or a more systemic problem with Google's ability to compete in the AI era.